excited.
Oh, I know. That's okay. And I'm going to let her come greet because Emmy's so friendly.
Thank you, Mel.
Mel,
Sure.
Thank
so
you very
nice
much.
of you.
Oh, our
so
pleasure.
Mel, are you agreeable to walking with me?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go for a walk. Oh, hello. She wants to say hi. Oh, that's
Hi, sweetie. Hi, beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Good girl.
so Leslie, keep filming. Leslie, I think you better hold it this way.
Okay.
Hey.
Hey, Mel, let's go for a little walk around the cul-de-sac.
All right. Where do you want to start?
Let's go. And Leslie's just filming, so she has a reminder of what we do.
We're not going to play.
Great job.
We're not going to play.
This is awesome. Great heel. Let's go. Thank you, Mel, for walking with us. This is the way I introduce all dogs, even if they know each other. And it's the way that if they get their feet moving, they're smelling each other and they're getting quieter. Emily's getting quieter as we're walking. And those two. Isn't that scary?
And since then, she is very cognizant of any other dog coming up to her, and she's ready to go, you know.
This is really an effective tool. Really like what we're doing. And Leslie, you can see, right?
It's amazing.
So, and my energy,
Mel will tell you.
and Mel, your energy's really calm right now, which is really good. And when you can, loosen up your knee.
She's being trained.
Sorry.
Yeah.
That's a little softer.
Yeah, Allie's a professional trainer. Yeah.
Yeah, it's that initial greeting. And
and
so
then
you know what I do? My strategy, I don't know if you can hear me, but you pull in closer. Mel, my strategy is never just trying to sit. I always go, hi, let's go. And we walk for just, even if it's 10 feet. And now, if you're comfortable, we can let Emmy and Bo do their fit, because they're both very friendly dogs. Now they can do their sniffy up the butt thing. And that's exactly what they're supposed to do. And now, loosen your lead, and Bo's going to totally be happy. Good job, Bo. And we want to smell the butt. It's okay. You're beautiful. They want to play. So if you're ever in the mood, these are two great dogs that will get along fabulously playing, running in a contained environment where there's control, like a yard. Just so you know, this dog is so friendly, and Emmy is so great. So Emmy wants to play, and we can in there sniff. That's really good. That's exactly how dogs are supposed to greet each other. Great job. You are so helpful right now. And look, that's good. That's what dogs do.
Sure.
And loosen your lead if you can. Perfect. Perfect. That is really good. And now we can start walking back to the house. Now, if he wants to play or she wants to play,
Don't play.
and that's okay, because we're not giving them the okay to play right now, which is perfectly fine. But I'm not trying to make her sit either. Let's go. When she wants to get really going, just walking is the strategy. And Emmy's being terrific. I am so proud of you, Bo. And I like that your lead is right there. Really good now. Your dog relaxes. She is a good girl. And Emmy, I want you to notice this lead. And my fingers are like this the whole time. Good heel. That was a good release. So it was a heel and then a release. Now that is a great time for this. That little soccer touch. And you know what it does? It just snaps them out of that forward motion thing. That's all it does. I know. She's going, are you kidding me?
That's what we do when we go for a walk. We generally just let her get all the sniffs.
Good. Good job, Emmy. Good job, Bo. What else would you like to see?
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you, dog.